Alright, we're at 45386 Miramar. Kind of just doing a little walkthrough, see what may or may not be going on with the property. Not really sure if this is going to show up, but there's dog poop here. This is the old carpet that came out of the front room, which has been stacked up. There's a lot of dog poop back there. I'm sure the video's not going to show that up. A little bit of deferred maintenance in terms of landscaping. This tree has these pods all over the place. Wouldn't be that difficult to get a landscaper in here to clean this stuff up. This tree's not doing too bad. This light fixture looks like somebody caulked it. You know, maybe it had a leak or something. But you know, these people come up and they're just gonna. And I'm not sure if the video is gonna pick this up, but there's just there's a spider here. And there's just cobwebs everywhere. All we'd have to do is power wash the property. And then you've got some deferred maintenance here where the wood. This is the south side, so the wood takes a beating. And then same thing here where there were some repairs done. And then again, deferred landscaping maintenance. You got the grass growing up between the, in between the deal here. And I'm not sure if you can really see it. It's really, again, just deferred. This is all just spider webs and deferred landscape maintenance. The grass is pretty much dead. I don't think it's been watered for quite a while. And then this tree is taking a beating. Shouldn't be in that bad a shape. And then I don't know if the video is going to pick this up, but there's just leaves everywhere. You know, this guy's trying to clean his yard up, but I don't think he should be responsible. And then not sure if, this wouldn't be that difficult to have somebody come by once and just clean it and it would be done. Again, this is, not sure if the video is going to pick this up, but it's deferred maintenance. And then in the entryway, there's spider webs all in here. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that. And then there's spider webs all up in here. This is all dirty. Again, all you'd have to do is power wash. There's spider webs in here. The whole entryway is just one big spider web. This is the first thing that the new buyer might see. There's spider webs on the door. Not sure if the video is going to pick that up or not. I'll take some pictures. Looks like the dog might have gotten a little excited here. This is all chewed up. And there's spider webs in here. And these have been kind of wrecked. I'm not sure if the video is going to pick that up or not. And then this and the house was just left a little dirty, so it needs a thorough cleaning. I don't know if the video is going to pick this up, but there's a lot of dirt on pretty much all the blinds. There's a hole here. There's paint chips, a hole. Looks like somebody tried to do some patching, but looks like they might have hung a TV there's just holes. So it would be very difficult. I'm sure the video is not picking it up as nice. I think this is just dirt. Kitchen's not in too bad a shape. Looks like there might have been a little bit of a leak back in here. And the, stained grout. And then, not sure what that is. A little bit of wear and tear. A little bit of wear and tear on the cabinets. There's dirt. It's just dust. And those cabinets are. And I realize they're buying it as is, but there's dust. So again, the house just needs a thorough cleaning. I'm not sure if the video will pick this up or not, but and there was some sort of cabinet here. And I'm not sure if there's a stain there, grout stain here. There's a big grout stain here. And then, I don't know if the video is going to pick that up, but there's staining on the tile itself. There's a little tiny crack right here. I think that buyer was being kind of anal. And there's a crack that goes from here. I doubt the video is going to pick this up. And a very small crack. That's a reasonable amount of settling. There was stuff left on the walls. And it seems kind of picky, but if the buyer's going to find a better house, looks like where there's a couch. I'm not sure what happened here. I'm not sure if the video is going to pick it up. There's a big splash mark there. Again, there's more dust. And I don't know if the video is going to pick up how dirty this window is, but again, it's and this probably isn't going to come out that good, but this is all trashed in here. All the paint's off. White paint, we got fresh. There's just a line of dirt there. And obviously there's a stain on the carpet. I'm not sure, on the patio. Not sure if that's from, I'm not sure what it's from. It looks like it has a lot of dog hair in it. And then right here you can see like this green paint, and then you can tell it's stained from where the dogs were peeing on it. Same thing with this screen. Not sure the video is going to pick it up, but they were kind of making a mess. There's stuff that was left here. So if you look at this stem wall, it's the same color as the house. And then you get over here on the corner, and you get these staining. It's actually rusted right here. And then it's just all brown, staining from the dogs. Looks like the dogs kind of chewed this up here. And they chewed this up here. And then this is pretty much, there's just dog poop everywhere. So when a buyer comes in here, it may be a good price, but and as a husband, there's dog poop in the rock right here. More right here. And then there's more staining along the bottom here. all along this edge. I'm hoping the video will pick this up because this is just, I mean, that's just bad. And then you just go back here and there's just a ton of dog poop all the way back. And then I don't know if the video is going to pick it up, but there's the carpet and pad back there. And then again, I don't know if the video is going to pick that up, but this window should have been washed. This room's not that bad. The odor, you know, the carpet's all not that bad, but there's still odor. You know, there's nails. There's a nail here. Nail. Again, deferred cleaning. There's dust on there. Stuff didn't get taken out. Not sure what that is. Windowsills, and you just see there's a stain there. I'm not sure the video is going to pick up if this. I tried shooting it once before and I think I got too far away. Good stain on the in there. This isn't too bad a shape. Isn't too bad. Looks like this shelf came off. It's pretty secure now. Then we need to get into the garage. The garage is pretty bad. This one's not that bad, but I don't know if the video again is going to pick it up. But it's just kind of yellow. I mean, I realize it's a used house, but there's some sort of mark here. I don't know what that is. These two rooms are in pretty good shape. Probably don't need to change out the carpets, but I don't know if the smell. This here was left less than desirable. And then it's been disclosed that the washer leaks. So you can see a lot of damage there. There's a lot of damage to the drywall here. Or the baseboard. I think a combination of that and the damage from here. This thing here is, you know, it's very obvious that this thing leaked pretty badly. And there's a ton of salt on the ground, so it's not doing the cement any good. It's probably going to have permanent stain. Might be better to cap this and get rid of it. Just dirt in here. It's not that bad. But still, you know, you could have just swept it out. That's about it. So it's just a lot of deferred maintenance. If the house, you know, I don't know if you really want to. I mean, the two things that would really change it would be to paint it and put new carpet in it. And obviously that would minimize a lot of what can be seen. Okay, hope this helps.